Since moving in, we've been needing a proper storage area for all our bathroom stuff and bulk storage. This is currently what we've been using, along with this, and it's spreading further out into the hallway. We've been using these temporary shelves, which have got by, but they're a bit awkward to get bulkier things onto. So I'm going to take inspiration from it, where the height works out pretty well for the shelf height, but giving us some more depth. So what I've done is marked out places for shelves here, 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 and here, but going the full depth back. So in total, we'll have 4 shelves. With any luck, we can get a lot of our stuff stored in there, rather than it being dotted around all over the place. But for now, let's get on and cut the rails which are attached to the wall, where we'll have slats across it. For the rails, I'm going to be repurposing these. They're from my parents' old bed, so they're going to get put to good use, rather than just getting thrown away. All I need to do for repurposing them is removing these staples, and then I can get them cut to size. So we'll get on with that now. And with all those staples removed, we can now get these all measured up and cut to size. With those all cut to size and without too much being wasted, we'll get them installed. I should also mention this is the first time I've used this type of saw. So if you got any tips for me, let me know in the comments. Before I managed to attach the rails to the wall, I had to run out quickly and apply a quick fix to the greenhouse we recently put up. Because we haven't got around to securing the sides down, the wind was getting up under it, and it was about to rip it off. So as you can see here, I've had to get the soil from the sides of the greenhouse and pile it up on it to keep the flaps down, to stop the wind from getting in and effectively taking off into the sky. But a surprise 50-minute task in a bit of misty rain. But at least now I've got it secured. And now we'll get back to the shelving, which I originally set out to do today. Right, now we've got the rails made, we're gonna get all the old storage out of here. And with the old storage out, we can get these rails attached so we can make some slats to go on top of them. And since I've pre-drilled all of them, using one of them as a template, I can near enough guarantee that all the holes will line up. So I can use one of them with screws partly poking through to go along and press onto the wall to mark where I need to drill. At least in theory. We'll see if that works out. Someone invent a laser level for your glasses, so you can just look at it and go, that looks straight. That would be absolutely wonderful right now. Just have a little projector in your glasses that stays level, and you can just say, for this distance, measure 10 centimeters in front of me. But until that time comes, I will just stick with doing this. Now in theory, all those should line up to all these identically on all those boards. Let me know if you think that's going to work in the comments. I will have to wait and find out in about half an hour. But you will be finding out in a few seconds. Now that we got all the slats cut, let's get them fitted. That looks pretty good so far. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. With that final one done, that's project complete. Let's go see what the not yet a wife thinks.
Damn, she did the shelves. Nice. That's actually sick as. Oh, that's clean.
A little bit of an upgrade.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's really good.
I wouldn't stand on them.
Old towels.
Yeah.
Sick. No, really well done. Borderline professionally done.
Me professional?
No. So I
Um,
said borderline. Cool. No, that looks amazing.
Right, I've done my bit. You could do put stuff on it.
Not
I think that's a successful project for today. If you enjoyed watching this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.